Ever dreamed of a brand new smile delivered straight to your door without ever seeing a dentist? Sounds like magic, right? Or like me trying to microwave a pizza without burning it. Too good to be true. Well, today we're diving into Yagoo Dentures, the product promising AI-powered dentist-free perfect fit dentures. Are they genius or just a scam with a shiny AI label? Stick around because the truth might surprise you. Yagoo Dentures claims to give you custom-fit dentures using AI, made from premium medical grade materials delivered in just a few days. No dentist, no appointments, no awkward impressions. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the kicker, dentures are serious business. They need professional dental impressions, proper fitting, and supervision. Skipping that step, it's like giving someone a pair of shoes without measuring their feet. Painful, uncomfortable, and not something you want in your mouth. So what's off here? First, there's no professional oversight. The AI design is not verified by a licensed dentist. Next, medical and university claims. They mention FDA compliance and dental schools, but there's zero evidence. That's a classic move to make the product look legit without actually being verified. And then there's the company itself. No physical address, no real dental staff, and no real way to return or even contact support. Oh, and those glowing reviews, mostly stock photos and copy-pasted testimonials. Basically, the whole setup screams smoke and mirrors. Here's how it usually works. Social media ads lure you in with flashy before and afters, free gifts and countdown timers, pressuring you to buy fast, click through, and you land on a page with fancy terms like 98% AI accuracy and patented customization. But there's no proof. The result, people get cheap, poorly fitting dentures or nothing at all. And customer support vanish into thin air like my motivation to go to the gym. So are Yagoo Dentures legit? Based on misleading claims, fake reviews, unverified endorsements, and sketchy shipping practices? The honest answer is no. If you need dentures, the safest bet is a licensed dentist. It may cost more, but you'll get quality, safety, and peace of mind. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't risk your smile or your gums on a marketing gimmick. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.